Hello guys and welcome to this video. Today's video will be about how to make money with Mailchimp. Mailchimp is a popular email marketing platform that can help you generate revenue for your business. Here are some simple steps you can get some money with Mailchimp. First thing to do is create your account by clicking on sign up. So you have to choose what are you. If you are a marketing platform, a website e-commerce, or transactional email. Transactional email is just for transactions. It doesn't have any plans or anything. Here we have websites and e-commerce. You can choose your plan, free, core, plus, and for marketing platform and businesses, we have the free, essential, standard, and premium. So here, let's choose the marketing platform and choose to sign up for free. So yes, let's continue. You need the email, the username, the password. No, the username is not this. It's yes, this. And the password. No, I mean the username is great mind think alike. Someone has the username. I think it was my other account. So I don't remember if I had an account or not. I don't want to receive emails about Mailchimp. Now, tricky. Next, check your email to confirm your account. Let's open Gmail. And confirm our account. Activate your Mailchimp account. Click activate. So after creation of the account, we have the first step, grow your email list. The first step is to build a list of subscribers who are interested in your product or service, offer an incentive such as a discount or freebie to encourage people to sign up for your newsletter. So waiting for our account to create, tell us about yourself. Business name, phone number. Okay, I don't remember when I put my phone. Okay. Next, we have creating engaging emails. Campaign. Use Mailchimp drag and drop editor to create visual, appealing, and engaging emails that will capture your subscribers' attention. Make sure your emails include a clear call to actions that encourage your subscribers to take actions. So here you need to put your email, your address. I'm putting a random address. What's your goal with Mailchimp? Drive sales, revenue, or conversations. Send emails to find helpful or grow my list of email subscribers. This is the only first step. We need to get more money. Great. What do you want to explore first? Emails, sign up forms, emails. Next. How many email contacts do you have? Fewer. Not 10. I'm just starting. Next, how do you sell to your customers? Social media. I don't sell, but I like social media. What to import to your brand? Nothing. Skip. I meant skip. How should we stay in touch? Mailchimp present. Don't never email me. Your name is Mailchimp. Don't email me. So the recommended plan is standard, but I'm going with free for several reasons, like being broke. So the third step is promote your products. Use your mail campaign to promote your products or services, highlight the benefits and features of your products, and include a link to your website where subscribers can purchase them. Fourth step is segment your list. Segment your email list based on subscribers' interests, demographics, and behaviors. This allows you to send targeted emails that are more likely to convert into sales. The fifth step is using automation. Use Mailchimp automation features to sell personalized email based on subscribers' actions. For example, if a subscriber abandoned their cart, you send them a reminder email with a special offer to encourage them to complete their purchase. Sixth and the last step is track your results. Use Mailchimp reporting features to track your email campaign performance, and this will help you identify what's working and what's not, so you can make changes to improve your results. So the menu of Mailchimp is pretty simple, and use custom data to create more targeted email. It has an integration with all those websites and companies. Here we have the campaigns, automations, audience. You can create automation based on what you need to them to do. You have website integrations. You can start your free trial for the premium plan. You can switch collapse navigations here. Here we have your account, notifications, profile, account, and billing, pricing plans. We already saw this. You can hire an expert to guide you in your Mailchimp journey and helps you to rise your business. You can get co-browse code. You can log out from here. Let's check your profile. So overall, Mailchimp can be powerful tool for generating revenue for your business by building a targeted email list, creating engaging campaigns, and using automation and segmentation. You can increase your sales and grow up your business. So here you can upload your photo, picture, take now a photo, use you have username, the first name, the last name, the email address, your website. You can change your password, verify the current password, the new password, and you confirm the new password. Here we have the connections. The members are with you here. We have just me, the owner. You can add security notification by email or SMS. I didn't add my phone number. No, I added, but I didn't confirm my phone number. And that's it for today's video. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe.